The information presented in this essay is for educational purposes only. It aims to provide a general understanding of cybersecurity and cybercrime. Technology and threats change rapidly. Always consult with a qualified cybersecurity professional for specific concerns. Your security is your responsibility. We hope this information helps you make more informed decisions. Remember to stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your digital life. This knowledge is a starting point for your journey. We encourage you to subscribe to the IGT and Tech College channel. There you will find more resources. You can deepen your understanding of technology and security. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge. Knowledge helps you navigate the digital world safely. IGT and Tech College offers courses and updates. These are designed for learners of all levels. Join our community of informed digital citizens. Stay ahead of the curve with us. We live in an increasingly connected world. Our lives are intertwined with technology. We bank, shop, and socialize online. This digital world offers incredible convenience and opportunity. However, it also comes with hidden dangers. Understanding these risks is the first step toward protecting ourselves effectively. Cyber threats do not discriminate. Let us begin this important journey together. Cybersecurity is, in simple terms, digital protection. It is the practice of defending our electronic systems. This includes computers, servers, and mobile devices. It also covers networks and data. The goal is to protect them from malicious attacks. Think of it as a comprehensive security system. This system is designed for your entire digital life. It is a shield against a wide array of threats. These threats lurk in the vast expanse of the internet. Cybersecurity protects your valuable digital assets. This includes your personal information, financial data, and online accounts. Consider your physical home. You likely lock your doors and windows. You might have an alarm system. Cybersecurity does the same for your digital world. It involves putting up digital locks and alarms. It means being cautious about who you let into your digital spaces. A multi-layered approach is always stronger. The core purpose of cybersecurity is to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It aims to keep your digital life secure and functioning as it should. Our reliance on technology has grown immensely. As of 2025, it is deeper than ever before. We use digital tools for work, education, healthcare, and entertainment. Our homes and cars are becoming smarter with connected devices. This digital transformation brings many benefits. It also expands our digital footprint significantly. Each new device and online service creates a new potential entry point for attackers. Our interconnectedness is a double-edged sword. The information we store and share online is incredibly valuable. Think about your personal data. It includes your identity documents, health records, and private conversations. Attackers can use this information for many harmful purposes. They can steal your money or your identity. They can damage your reputation. Even seemingly harmless data can be pieced together to create a detailed profile that can be exploited. The consequences of poor cybersecurity can be devastating. For individuals, it can mean financial loss and emotional distress. For businesses, a cyber attack can lead to massive financial costs and damage to their reputation. It is a common misconception that cybercriminals only target large corporations or governments. Individuals and small businesses are often seen as easier targets. No one is too small to be a target. Everyone needs to take cybersecurity seriously in today's world. Cybercrime encompasses any illegal activity committed using a computer, a network, or an online system. The motivations behind cybercrime are varied, most commonly for financial gain. Criminals seek to steal money, data they can sell, or sensitive information for extortion. However, some cybercrimes are motivated by other factors like activism, espionage, or simply the desire to cause disruption. We can broadly categorize cybercrime into a few main types. One major category is theft, including stealing personal information for identity fraud and financial details for unauthorized transactions. Another category is disruption, aiming to make systems or services unavailable, like in a denial-of-service attack. Deception involves tricking people into revealing information or performing actions they shouldn't. Understanding these broad types helps us see the patterns. Within these categories, there are many specific types of cyber attacks. These include phishing, malware, ransomware, and identity theft. Understanding the names and basic workings of these threats is important. Cyber criminals are often organized and sophisticated. They operate in global networks and constantly develop new tools and techniques. They share information and collaborate, making them a formidable adversary. However, they often rely on human error or known vulnerabilities. By being informed and cautious, we can significantly reduce our risk. We don't need to be experts. We just need to be aware and diligent in our digital habits. Awareness is our first line of defense. Section 5. Phishing and Social Engineering, the Art of Digital Deception. Phishing is a common cybercrime, deceiving people to obtain sensitive information. Attackers disguise as trustworthy entities to steal usernames, passwords, and credit card details. They use electronic communication to create urgency, leading to fake websites. This technique relies on social engineering, exploiting human psychology. Be cautious of unsolicited requests for information. Section 6. Malware and Ransomware, Digital Pests and Virtual Hostage Takers. Malware is malicious software designed to harm or exploit devices, services, or networks. Cybercriminals use malware to steal data, gain access, or disrupt operations. Ransomware locks your system, demanding payment for a decryption key. Paying the ransom doesn't guarantee file recovery. Regular backups and strong defenses are crucial. Enable two-factor authentication to enhance security. Section 7. Protecting your digital fortress. Essential first steps online. The foundation of good online security starts with strong passwords. Use long, complex passwords. Make them unique for every important account. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is best. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Remembering many complex passwords is hard. This is where a password manager can be invaluable. It securely stores all your passwords. You only need to remember one master password. Keeping your software updated is another critical defense. This includes your operating system, your web browser, and all other applications. Software updates often contain security patches that fix known vulnerabilities. Many attackers specifically target outdated software. Enable automatic updates whenever possible. Be extremely cautious about what you click and download. Think before you click any link, especially in unsolicited emails or messages. Hover over links to see the actual destination URL before clicking. Be wary of attachments, particularly from unknown senders. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA wherever it is available. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. Section 8. Real-world defenses, practical stories, and actionable advice. Consider Sarah, who received an urgent email claiming to be from her bank. The email stated her account was suspended due to suspicious activity. It asked her to click a link and verify her login details immediately. Sarah felt a moment of panic but then remembered some advice. She noticed the email had a generic greeting. Dear customer. Her bank always used her name. She hovered over the link and saw a strange web address, not her bank's official site. She did not click. Instead, she opened her browser, typed her bank's website address directly, and logged in. Her account was fine. Her vigilance saved her. Backing up your important data regularly is crucial. This is your best defense against data loss from ransomware, hardware failure, or accidental deletion. You can back up your files to an external hard drive or use a cloud backup service. Ideally, follow the 3-2-1 backup rule. Keep at least 3 copies of your data. Store them on 2 different types of media, and keep 1 copy off-site, for example, in the cloud or at a different physical location. Test your backups periodically to ensure they work. Securing your home Wi-Fi network is another essential step. Change the default administrator password for your router. Use a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network itself. Choose WPA3 encryption if your router supports it, or WPA2 at a minimum. Section 9. The ongoing battle cultivating awareness and lifelong learning in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not a destination you reach. It is not a one-time setup that you can forget about. Instead, it is an ongoing process. It requires continuous attention and adaptation. The digital landscape is constantly changing. New technologies emerge, new services are launched, our online behaviors evolve. With these changes come new vulnerabilities and new opportunities for attackers. Therefore, our approach to security must also be dynamic and proactive. We cannot afford to become complacent. Cybercriminals are relentless innovators. They are always developing new attack methods. They refine their existing tactics to bypass new defenses. They exploit new vulnerabilities as soon as they are discovered. Staying secure requires a commitment to ongoing learning. We must keep ourselves informed about the latest threats. We need to understand emerging best practices for protection. The importance of staying informed cannot be overstated. Share what you learn with your friends and family. Collective awareness builds a stronger defense for everyone.